Have a terrible toothache. The answer is see a dentist. Can you join them, children, using your pencil? Next is window panes are dirty. The answer is clean them. Next is fingernails are very long. The answer is cut them. Bus is late. Answer is take a taxi. Children, please continue to join the answers from column A to column B. Very hot in the room. The answer is open a window. Shoes are worn out. Get a new pair. Worn out means it's completely gone and you are not able to use it. Got the sum wrong. Answer is do it again. Let's go to the next. A. Match the singular and plural nouns given. Man is singular because it is one. Plural is men because they are more than one. So let's continue. Man, men. Join the question and the answer using your pencil. Child and children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Women, women. It's woman, women. B. Tick the correct word from the brackets for each sentence. Page 49, children. 1. Many were playing in the park. Is it child or children? The answer is children. Underline them. Second. Some walked past us. Is it woman or women? The answer is women. Underline women. Third. They had bells on their. Is it foot or is it feet? The answer is feet. They had bells on their feet. Now let's go to the whole thing 1, 2, 3 once again. 1. Many were playing in the park. The answer is children. Many children were playing in the park. Second. Some women walked past us. WOMEN. Some women walked past us. Third. They had bells on their feet. They had bells on their FEET feet. Next one, fourth. The dash were sitting on a bench. Is it a man or a men or men? The answer is men. 2 men were sitting on a bench. Second one. One man had 2 gold tooth or teeth. What is the answer, children? The answer is teeth. One man had 2 gold teeth. We cannot say tooth because it's just one. More than one tooth is called teeth. One man had 2 gold teeth. Sixth. Their dash were near the dustbin. 3 mice were near the dustbin. The answer is mice because they are more than one. It is plural. So 3 mice, M-I-C-E, mice, were near the dustbin. Let's go from 4, 5 and 6 once again. 2 men, M-E-N, were sitting on a bench. Next, one man had 2 gold teeth, T-E-E-T-H. Third, sixth one, 3 mice, M-I-C-E, mice, were playing near the dustbin. Let's begin with page 50. Let's use grammar. Complete these sentences using the plural forms of words in the bracket. First, don't throw stones at the monkeys. In bracket it is just stone and monkey. Here they are asking you to write down the plurals. That means it's more than one. It's stones. S will be added. Don't throw stones at the monkeys. monkeys. Second, put the dash in the dash. Is it tomato or tomatoes? The answer is more than one, so it is tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in the boxes. Third, the dash were buying dash. The girls, GIRLS, were buying glasses. GLASSES, glasses. Let's continue from 1, 2 and 3 once again. It's all plural, children. All plurals, more than one. Don't throw stones, STONES, at the monkeys. MONKEYS. Second, put the tomatoes in the boxes. 3. The girls were buying glasses. Use S, children. Next is A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from those given below. You can choose, children. Go for, looked at, set off, come back and find out. First, a gold watch is missing. The police will dash who has it. The answer is find out. A gold watch is missing. The police will find out. Find out who has it. Second, last night the doctor came back. The answer is came back from the hospital at 10 o'clock. Third, my parents go for. Where the dash is, the answer is go for a walk at 7 o'clock every morning. Fourth, the children stood for a while and looked at the tiger in the national park. Looked at is the answer. LOOKED, looked at, at the tiger in the nature park. Fifth, at 5 o'clock in the morning, he set off for his village. Set off means he has gone to his village. At 5 o'clock in the morning, he set off for his village. Children, write all the answers as shown in the video. You will also get it in your homework and classwork through the app, CRIST app. Children, let's match B. Match and make phrases. A row of houses. A row of houses. Please join the line, children. A bunch of keys. A bunch of keys. A cluster of stars. A cluster of stars. A flock of sheeps. A flock of sheeps. A herd of cows. A herd of cows. Join it and write it in your textbook. C. Fill in the blanks. A. Hide is to hid, as bite is to bit. Hide is to hid, HID, as bite is to bid. Second, throw is to threw, as sleep is to slept. Sleep, SLEEP. Sleep is to slept. Third, go is to went, as give is to gave. Children, write this down. Answers are hid, sleep and last one is go. Go. Let's go to the next page. Many tourists. Who are they? Look up the words in green in your dictionary to find their meanings. Example, we took our sick dog to the vet. Vet is a person who treats animals that are sick or injured. Many tourists visit the Taj Mahal. You have got the meanings, children. Second, the astronaut walked on the moon. Third, we saw an acrobat walked on a tightrope. Fourth, my brother is a sports reporter from a newspaper. Fifth, the sculptor made a statue from wood. These are meanings you have already been given in your question and answers. Children, write a story on Ramu and the umbrella shop. In the textbook it says, look at the pictures and write a story with the words given. Ramu dash dash in an umbrella shop. The next picture you can see, Ramu is going home with an umbrella, and the third picture shows holes in Ramu's new umbrella as it is raining and he is getting wet. Last picture shows Ramu is quite upset with the shop owner. So he returns the umbrella and gets a new umbrella. Now let's go to the next is a story which you have to learn and keep ready for your exam. Let's begin with the story now. You can see the answers here written for you. Write a story on Ramu. Instead of Ram, the word is Ramu and the umbrella shop. Ramu was in an umbrella shop. He bought an umbrella. He was going home with his umbrella. It started raining. Ramu opened his umbrella. There were holes in his umbrella and soon Ramu got wet. Ramu was angry. He went back to the shop. He returned the umbrella to the shopkeepers. He got a new umbrella. Children, this is a story you have to remember. Write a story on Ramu. The correction here will be R-A-M-U, Ramu and the umbrella shop. So you have to write this down in your textbook.